In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on WhatsApp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a web address from your browser or another app into a WhatsApp conversation quickly and confidently, whether you're on your phone or your computer. Let's start by copying the link. If you're in a web browser, tap or click the address bar so the full web address highlights, then copy it. On a phone, you can also use the share option in many apps and choose copy link. If the link appears inside a message or post, press and hold on it and select Copy. Take a second to make sure the entire URL is captured. If it looks shortened with dots, open the page and copy from the address bar so you get the complete link. Shortened links work too, but it's a good idea to preview them first so you know where they lead. Next, open a chat in WhatsApp. Launch the app and go to your Chats tab, then open the conversation where you want to share the link. Double-check that you're in the right chat to avoid sending it to the wrong person or group, especially if the link contains anything sensitive or time-specific. Now paste the link into the message box. On WhatsApp desktop or web, click the typing area and paste using your keyboard shortcut. On a phone, tap the message field, press and hold, and choose Paste. You can add a short note before or after the link to give context, something like why you're sharing it or what to look for, so the recipient knows what to expect when they open it. Finally, press Enter. On WhatsApp desktop or web, pressing Enter sends your message. If you want a new line instead of sending, hold Shift and press Enter. On mobile, some keyboards use Enter for a new line. If you want Enter to send the message instead, open WhatsApp settings, go to Chats, and turn on the option for Enter is Send. That way, pressing Enter will immediately send your link. As a quick tip, after you paste a link, WhatsApp may show a preview with a title and image. If you don't see a preview right away, give it a moment. The link will still work even without it. And if you're sharing something important, consider testing the link in your own chat first to confirm it opens correctly. That's it. Copy the link, open a chat, paste it into the message box, and press Enter. Follow these steps and you'll be sharing links on WhatsApp with ease.